I wanted to also just show this innovation pipeline. So we kind of, as I mentioned, sequencing has advanced quickly. Element has been committed to contributing to those advancements of both improving quality, affordability, and that we are the first to offer a $200 genome on a benchtop sequencing platform, and then a very, very highly reliable platform, mean time between failures at greater than 150 days. This is something we track very, very closely to make sure that the reliability of the reagents and the instruments remains very high. And then finally, where we're going in 2024 and beyond, and that's onboard library prep that I'll share with you in a moment. I'll show you some of the data for the multiomic cytoprofiling, and then again, continuing to improve our scale and capabilities with things like a high resolution or high density mode that allows the same reagents in the same platform to generate, on average, about 30% more data.